Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we're doing 15 minutes, no repeat, all standing, no equipment, core exercise. So we have 15 different exercises that we're just gonna go over once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of break. Since everything will be standing, we don't even need a mat. But don't forget your towel and your water. And also everything will be low impact, no jumping at all. If you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 집에서 하실 수 있는 단 15분 만에 서서하는 맨몸 반복 없는 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 서서하는 동작이고 층간소음이 없는 동작들입니다. 총 15가지 운동을 한 세트만 해볼 거고요. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 다 서서하는 동작들이니 오늘 준비해 주실 거는 필요 없으시고요. 따로 매트도 필요 없으시고요. 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올만 준비해 주시면 됩니다. 준비되셨으면 시작해 보러 갈까요? Ready everyone? Let's go and get started with a warm up. Big arm circles, reverse it. Reach up, toe tap back. 2, 1, 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing your arms side to side. Hip openers, 3, 2, 1. Other side, 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate. You're gonna reach up. 3, 2, and 1. Reach up, cross. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog it out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go and get started. Okay, so the first exercise, we're going to start with that opposite toe tap. So ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 45 seconds. Opposite toe tap. Now if you cannot reach your toe, don't force it. Modify, tap your ankles or even your knees. Turn your body side to side. Keep going. Take a break. Reverse a forward lunge rotation, left side. Ready? So forward lunge, rotate. Left side only. Good. Turn from the waist.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't
Take a break.
too easily.
3, right side.
I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to
Ready?
Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh,
Here we go.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Great.
Just watch me.
Opposite kneecap.
I'll take it to
So
Mars.
like a standing oblique crunch right here.
Inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Ready? Here we go.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
Take a break. Side bend. Left side. Right here. Ready? Go. Shoulder square. Inhale, exhale. Feel that in your obliques. Keep the back straight. Right here. Take a break. 6, other side. Right here. Ready? Here we go. Inhale, exhale. Take a break. Plie oblique crunch. Feet wide, toes out to the side. Oops, losing my balance. So go down here, here, and then up. Squeeze your hips on the way up. Make sure you're not doing this or this. Keep the back straight. Feel that in the core. Standing, side lunge to oblique twist, left side. 12. So side lunge, here. Or you can do it here. Up to you. Knee to elbow. Toes to the front. Take a break. 13, other side.
I hope you like to do that too. You have those eyes I wouldn't forget. And I'm just
Ready?
thinking about you. We could be
Here we go.
for each other more than just lovers, but I guess that we will never know. 'Cause now we're back being casual, not very special. If you just said by then, ooh, ooh, ooh,
Okay, 14, squat to front kick. Tiger. Here we go.
I would have liked to meet you again. You would have liked to do that too.
Take a break. Our last one, curtsy lunge to side leg raise, 2 times per leg, twice per leg.
Always alone.
Start with the left side.
You will always be there. Always alone.
Switch.
Always be there.
Modify. Tap, lift, tap.
Always be there.
Tap. Otherwise,
Always
straight to the side leg raise. One more. Done. Great job today, everyone. Get water. Shake your arms out, legs out, shoulder roll out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tiger, shoulder stretch. Other side. Up and over. And release. Quad stretch. We did squats, lunges, but that definitely works the core as well as legs. Gotta stretch up the quad. Heel down, toes up, knees slightly bent, hamstring calf stretch. Switch. Stretch. Gently press it down. Switch. Finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we're done for today. That was our 15-minute, no equipment, no repeat, all standing core workout. Hope you enjoy the workout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday and then I do a live workout every Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you can join for that one as well. Have a great day. Drink your water. Stretch more if you can. And